So in this video, I will show you how to view your credit card number on Apple Pay. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is to load the wallet app. So let's come here, search for wallet, and here on the wallet app, what we need to do is select the card itself. Once you click on the card, you should see this button right here, which looks like a card with some numbers. And once you click on this button, this will show your credit card numbers, and then you will have to authenticate. So it's going to ask you for Face ID or your passcode, and it is going to display your card information. So if this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe, leave a like and sub, and I will see you next time.